Whether kids are on a birdwatching expedition or taking stock of their rock collection, here's a place for kids to record all of their nature finds. These journals are relatively free form. They don't require a child to fill in a multitude of information. Instead, they allow them to take the lead in what they want to record. The half-size pages are perfect for slipping into a backpack or field kit and contain log pages, photo artwork pages, tips, and ideas for related nature activities. Sidebars contain interesting activities that may stimulate the observation of particular plants or animals, just in case your naturalist needs a little prompting. Whether you're supplementing their science lessons or encouraging their sense of exploration, these journals are the perfect companion.